Hey, what's up you guys? This is gonna be just showing you guys what's in the box and stuff. This is my first video. The reason I'm doing this video is because I was looking all over the internet and I couldn't find any videos on it, any videos for the product. It's the monoblocks from EK for the Gigabyte motherboards. The EK Momentum Aorus Z390 Masters. Anyway, so I'm gonna be just showing you guys what it looks like, what's in the box and everything like that. So anyway, out of the box is nice, has a nice design to it, just a regular box. On the back you'll find a QR code. Take a snap of that and it's gonna take you to the download site for the manual itself. Other than that, nothing much to the box, so let's get into it. So here it is. Let's take it out of the box. Set this aside. Put that up. Do not forget other EK products for your liquid cooling system. So in the box we have your thermal paste or thermal pads for the VRMs. Got thermal paste and some screws there. And then we got the monoblock. Put that side here. Take this out. Alright, so here it is, you guys. Take a good look at it. It's nice. Right here we got the heat spreaders or the contacts for your VRMs. And then got the contact for the CPU, RGB cable, and then the contact for the CPU right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, the circle. It's a little bit raised up from the whole thing. I don't know why they did that. I have no clue. If any of you guys know why, then just leave a comment down below. Anyway, put that back together, put the sticker back on. So yeah, it's really heavy. You're gonna be adding a couple pounds to your whole system. I mean, it's not small. Definitely not small. So anyway, there it is, you guys. Get a good look at it right here. Anyway, if you guys want to see a video of me installing this, just leave me a like. What I'm gonna be doing for the upgrade is I'm also gonna be putting in a new IHS. Copper IHS. It's been milled and we call it like sanded down and everything, so it's really flat because I'm running a 9th gen Intel CPU, and I heard that their IHSs aren't flat and they don't make proper contact with the heat spreader or heat spreader, heat contact, whatever, on your cooler. And that's one of the reasons I bought that. I'll leave a link in the description below if any of you guys want to see that. It's from Rocket. Was it from Rocket Cool or Rocket something? Yeah, it's Rocket Cool, right? Yeah, Rocket Cool. So I'll leave a link in the description for that down below. And yeah, if you guys want to see the video, just leave a like, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.